wrestler we've seen a lot of. You can expect heavy hands from Чератти to start. That Iranian style, heavy hands, marching forward, putting the underhook in, working towards the zone. Something we've seen time and time again. Ranked world number 5 at this very moment. 24-year-old. World silver from 2023. Asian champion from last year in Kyrgyzstan. And a beautiful shot there, post up on the elbow and shoots in almost for a double, and then right at the end switching to the low on the ankle and gets a beautiful gut wrench on that right side. Toktomambetov turning out, gets the reversal. Really nice work. Gets the point, but being warned by the referees for dangerous position on the knee or on the ankle. Just requiring the doctor to come on the mat. Yazdani Чератти with a lightning quick start. Goes for a really nice double leg as the hand comes in. Ports up with one hand, shoots for the double, and on the last second goes low on the ankle, switches it completely, cuts the corner, gets the 2. And then they really had gut wrench on the right hand side there. Toktomambetov coming out on the reverse with the ankle, getting the 1 point. Nice outside single shot from the Kyrgyz wrestler, just as I was talking about. You see it so often with him, really nice outside singles. Gets rewarded the 2. Now trying to lace it up, bit of a different lace to what we're used to seeing, high on the thighs, just above the knees instead of around the ankles. And the match really heating up. Toktomambetov. Watched him compete a few times, and that outside single that he does, especially on that left side, something you see him do a lot of. Gets the opposite hand over on that bicep, and as he shoots on the outside, uses it to pull him in. Uses the arm as like a lever almost to propel his way into that outside single. Really effective. And now with that left side underhook, going a bit of an Iranian style himself. Driving forward, he's got Yazdani Чератти on the edge. Front headlock position now, double unders. Gonna try and maybe cut the corner on the edge of the mat here. Seeing if you're there from Toktomambetov, you really need to try and maybe blast through your opponent. You know, channel your inner Jordan Burroughs there on the edge and really hit through him, blast through him. You only need to step out for the point. Nice throw by attempt there from Yazdani Чератти as the underhook went in. Surprised he wasn't trying to do that earlier. With the underhook, Toktomambetov really. And this is what I was talking about with the shooting on the edge. Gets the point for his rewards, and that's exactly what I mean there. When your opponent's on the outside, close to the outside of the mat, if you shoot, you've got a small chance of giving a point away. Now the point's been given to Yazdani Чератти. Very 50-50 situation, but good work from Toktomambetov so far, making it very difficult for the Iranian to get his footing in this match, especially after the first 4 points he put on the board. The first round was close, is what you can call it. 4-4. Huge criteria, the last point scored, Yazdani Чератти is in the lead. You'll be able to see that on the live stream. Under the 4 points, you'll have a line, and that will show who's ahead at this moment, if you're wondering who at home. with that. Going back to the underhook. Nice post upwards from Yazdani Чератти and stays tenacious with it, chases his man down, gets the 2 points. Now on the edge, Toktomambetov drives him off, gets the 2. If you ask me, in my opinion, I think it was the 2 points. Yazdani Чератти hadn't stepped out of the mat yet before taking a seat. Challenge coming from the Iranian corner as the 2 points were taken away. As you can see here, in my opinion, was the 2. Toktomambetov turns. No complete step out so far. Shot goes in. Finishes on the edge. The foot does go out, but in my opinion, you can give a 2. This action initiated in the middle of the mat before. In the match, should I say? It wasn't exactly in the middle, but I've seen 2 points given in earlier matches.
Only 1 point left. Challenge.
So no points for the Iranian wrestler there. Had no control on the get behind, so no 2 points. Only a point for Toktomambetov on the edge for the 1. And then another point will go on the Kyrgyzman's name for losing the challenge, and that's a big blow for the Iranian corner. If you lose your challenge and you need it later on, not only do you lose a point, but you lose the chance to challenge again. So far, so good from the Kyrgyz wrestler. He's played a very smart game, been able to shut off that Iranian style. Throw by attempt there from Чератти. Now on the front headlock. Toktomambetov just popping out the back door. Down with that left side underhook, causing problems. Wrist control with the right hand. Stops any shots coming in from there, as you can see. When you control that wrist, you're pretty safe on that left side underhook. Now right side underhook. Really like the way Toktomambetov's transitioning. The underhook's going one side, then the other. And he's chasing his man down here. Good shot again from Yazdani Чератти on the back foot. Still it's the wrestler from Kyrgyzstan doing the hunting, doing the marching forward. And again, double unders. Needs to be careful not to push too hard. Чератти doing his best on the edge there to try and dance his way back into the centre. Trying not to give anything away. That double overhook. Always dangerous there on the edge. A big deep breath for Yazdani Черatти. Looks like he's getting a little bit tired. Now from the Kyrgyz wrestler, not allowed. Yazdani Черatti wanted a little bit of breathing time there after the hand in the face. Referee saying stand up, no harm done. Good shot, half shot attempt there from Yazdani Черatti, but again it's Toktomambetov marching forward. Nice shot again. Another shot on the reshot, but Toktomambetov's on the single. Needs to try and posture up on the ankle. And it's Yazdani Черatti who's really working his way behind. Looks like he's going to get the 2 here. Gets the 2 on the edge. Just like that with 6 seconds remaining. Takes it on criteria. Yazdani Cheratti's going to run away with it, coming in clutch right at the end. 6 seconds left on the clock. He takes a 2 on the edge. Yazdani Cheratti who's going to